In every commercial kitchen, exhaust systems are essential to fire prevention. Grease builds up inside the ductwork over time, and in the case of the fire, that grease becomes fuel. For more than 60 years, Bare Metal Standard has serviced commercial kitchens of all sizes and complexities. Many providers do not have the ability or do not take the time to service the entire system, and NFPA 96 allows vendors to mark sections as inaccessible, leaving grease to accumulate in hidden areas. Our proprietary process ensures the whole system is accessed and serviced back to bare metal. We are committed to raising the standard for fire safety by educating operators and the industry, because kitchen exhaust cleaning is not just a cleaning service. It is a fire mitigation service.